In this Electude tutorial, you will learn how to analyze student results using the red and green progress bars. To begin, click on the Students tab from the top menu bar, then select a student group from the left-hand menu. In this example, we'll be analyzing the results for Group A. Once the student group is open, click on the assigned course under the Group Content area to see detailed results. In this example, the entire Classroom A6 Electrical Electronics 1 course is assigned. Under the Average Results heading, you'll see a list of subcourses within the assigned main course, having separate progress bars for each of the subcourses. These are color-coded red and green according to the number of right and wrong responses. In this example, the average results are for the entire student group per subcourse. By placing the cursor over the progress bar, the system will display progress and score as a percentage. To view results in greater detail, click on one of the subcourses in the list. In this example, you'll see the subcourse title at the top of the page, followed by average results for each additional subcourse directly below. Under the Students heading, you'll see additional progress bars per student. This is the average results for each of the subcourses listed above. To see detailed results for any of the subcourses listed, click on a course from the list to drill down into the content. The next screen will show average results for each individual content item within that course. Here you see a list of content items within the subcourse listed above. Each progress bar represents the average group results for that particular content item. Below this area, you'll see average results per student for all the content items listed on the page. To drill down even further, click on one of the content items listed to view results per student. From this screen, you'll see the individual content item listed at the top of the page, followed by average results for each learning objective. The length of the bar represents how many questions deal with that particular objective. Below the list of learning objectives, you'll find the individual student results for the lesson displayed at the top of the page. The red and green color coding is a visual representation of right and wrong responses. Place cursor over student progress bar to see completion and score percentages. To drill down even further, click on a student's name to view individual response data for each question. Once a student name is selected, scroll down to review how the student answered each question. The first response is displayed in the question box. The small red and green dots to the side of the question indicate how many times the question was answered. The newest response is nearest to the question box. Electude records every incorrect response and one correct response per session. The session begins when a student clicks Start Module and ends when the student closes the module. Multiple green dots next to the question box indicates the student reviewed the question and answered it correctly in a new session. Please go to electude.com to view more training tutorials.